Good morning, Utah. I hope that your Thursday is off to a fantastic start. The time is currently 7:14. Here's the view from Deer Valley. This was just a little while ago of the sunrise glow over the horizon as we look towards the Uintas and looking down towards Jordanelle Reservoir. Absolutely beautiful this morning. Temperatures are pretty comfortable in northern Utah, mainly in the 60s and 70s, while Logan right now checking in with a temperature of 58, while we're at 67 degrees in Provo, and down in St. George, we're currently sitting at 77 degrees. Our temperatures this morning very similar compared to what we saw yesterday morning, and our daytime highs today will be very similar compared to what we saw yesterday. However, in northern Utah, there will be a little bit better potential that we could see showers and thunderstorms. So even though the chance for wet weather is still going to run highest in the central and southern portion of the state, if you're heading out the door in northern Utah by this afternoon, keep a watchful eye in the sky, as there will be a chance that a shower or thunderstorm finds you. Daytime highs across the state for the most part will come in very close to what we had yesterday, 80s and 90s for most, as we get to middle 90s on the Wasatch Front with 97 in Salt Lake City, a chance that we do sneak into the upper 90s, 87 in Cedar City, and a daytime high of 100 degrees in St. George. As mentioned, no matter where you are across the Beehive State, there is the chance that a shower or thunderstorm will find you. We're not necessarily expecting any severe weather. But given the monsoon moisture that we have in place, a few strong storms with gusty winds and even heavy rain can't be completely ruled out. And most of Utah is included in a marginal risk of excessive rainfall. That's a low-end risk that we could see showers and thunderstorms produce heavy rain that could bring on flash flooding. And with that risk across most of the state, if you have those plans to be outside, again, keep your eyes to the sky. And if you're in southern Utah across the Mighty Five and our southern Utah recreation areas, it's another day where flash flooding is more of a probability rather than possibility. Avoid backcountry hikes that involve slot canyons, dry washes, and burn scars. The risk for flash flooding, not something that you want to mess around with, and unfortunately that probability of flash flooding will likely stick around to round out the work week and possibly move through this weekend as well. Let's begin the futurecast at 8 o'clock this morning. Time things out for you over the next few hours. Our weather stays relatively quiet. The radar has been quiet so far this morning, but the chance for wet weather will increase once we get into this afternoon, and by 3 o'clock those showers and thunderstorms, the best chance will definitely be over the high terrain, even though a few showers and thunderstorms will be possible in our valleys. Then from the middle of the afternoon into the early evening, those showers and thunderstorms that developed into the high country could move down into adjacent valleys. Still holding on to a pretty good chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms through 8 o'clock this evening across Utah. Things calm down into tonight, even though a few passing showers will remain a possibility during the overnight hours. Then for our Friday, with that strong southerly flow, we basically do it all over again with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Here's a look at the bigger picture of what's happening in the atmosphere. We have a high pressure to our east, an upper level low pressure to our west. We're tapping into that monsoonal moisture that's continuing to move in, and for the most part we're not going to see a lot of changes in our weather as we head into this upcoming weekend, but we could see even deeper moisture thanks in part to what is now Hurricane Hillary. By the end of the weekend into the early portion of next week, it's expected to weaken as it moves north. But that deep tropical moisture will find its way to Baja California in the southwestern United States, and there is a chance that we tap into some of that deep tropical moisture, which would enhance our rain chances, but would also enhance the flash flooding risk as well. And then even after Hillary moves away, or the remnants of Hillary move away, we'll still likely be in an active pattern through most of next week as we stick with that southerly flow. Here's the latest track, though, when it comes to Hurricane Hillary, and you can see that by Monday, Sunday night into early Monday morning, could still be a tropical storm as it approaches the northern end of Baja California, as it approaches Southern California. Something that you typically don't see all that often, and given its forecast trajectory, you can see that some of that moisture could definitely find its way towards the Beehive State. And when we talk about the rainfall forecast over the next 7 days, the southwestern United States expecting quite a bit of rain. The Weather Prediction Center thinking that we could see around 2 inches of rain in Las Vegas, 1.5 inches in St. George. Now, the further east you go, it's less likely. So we're still talking about a very fine line of just how much rain we'll see. And as we get a little bit closer, forecast models will continue to do a better job. At the end of the day, I think it's still going to be a pretty active pattern, but it could be enhanced by what is now Hurricane Hillary. We'll keep you posted on that. For St. George, we'll have the chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms the next couple of days. And by this weekend, not only will we have a good chance for those showers and thunderstorms, daytime highs will be easing down. Sunday into Monday, we could be dropping into the 80s in St. George. Along the Wasatch Front, isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms to round out the work week. Daytime highs in the mid-90s. We'll even see some slightly cooler temperatures for this upcoming weekend as daytime highs drop into the upper 80s in Salt Lake, and then we'll be around 90 degrees as we hold on to that wet weather potential into early next week. Now let's quickly check the traffic out there. And so